Welcome back. We often dive into AIagentstore.ai to see what's new and interesting in the AI world.
Definitely a go-to spot.
And today, we're looking at something really quite impactful, Paige AI.
Right. This one operates in a critical area, digital pathology.
Exactly. Think about diagnosing cancer from tissue samples. It's incredibly complex, high stakes.
Immense pressure, yeah. And Paige AI aims to help with that. It's an AI platform for cancer detection, biomarker analysis, automating parts of the workflow.
And here's what caught my eye. It's not just about assisting. It feels like it's really pushing forward how we tackle these huge health challenges, like cancer.
That's the fascinating part, isn't it? Seeing this tech move from, let's say, the lab bench or theory into real everyday use for healthcare professionals.
But who is it really built for?
Well, the site mentions pathologists, obviously, but also medical researchers, clinical lab managers, AI researchers too, and even healthcare IT folks.
A pretty wide range then.
It really tries to connect the AI potential with the actual medical practice.
Okay, so let's get into the specifics. The website mentions an autonomy level of 69%. What does that figure, actually mean for daily use? It sounds quite high.
It does, and it signals pretty substantial autonomy in how it gathers data, analyzes it, and helps with diagnostics.
So 69%, it's doing a lot on its own.
A significant chunk, yes. For example, they have a system called ALBA. It apparently pulls patient data autonomously from various sources, EHRs, LIS, IMS.
So electronic health records, lab systems, all that scattered info.
Exactly. Synthesizes it into summaries. Then there's the GI suite. That autonomously scans tissue samples.
Wow.
Across different GI regions. It detects and grades over 40 conditions.
40. Wow.
And pan-cancer detect is similar, but crucially, that 69% isn't 100%.
Right, there's still a human element.
Absolutely vital. The human pathologist keeps the final say, the diagnostic sign-off. It ensures oversight, handles nuance, maybe catches rare things the AI hasn't seen millions of times.
So it changes the pathologist's role. Less manual grind, more oversight.
You could say that. More sophisticated interpretation of the AI's findings, perhaps focusing on the complex cases.
That makes sense. So, okay, if you're in this field, what does this empowerment look like day to day? What are the key applications?
Well, several stand out. Automating the detection and grading of cancer on slides is a big one. Teaching AI to see disease accurately, sometimes even better than the human eye at scale.
Right, handling sheer volume.
And identifying biomarkers using AI analysis. Plus, and this is important, it offers FDA-approved diagnostic tools. That means they meet strict medical standards.
That FDA approval is key for actual clinical use, I imagine.
Definitely. Beyond diagnostics, it helps speed up research, too, with foundation models and extensions through something called AppLab. It acts like a co-pilot, integrating into existing digital pathology workflows.
And you mentioned something else interesting earlier, a big partnership.
Yes, the collaboration with Microsoft.
They're apparently building the world's largest AI model specifically for cancer detection. That's ambitious.
It really is. And if you think bigger picture, it shows AI isn't just about making things faster. It's about potentially pushing the boundaries of what we understand medically, getting more precise diagnoses.
That partnership certainly underlines the scale they're aiming for.
Absolutely. And just quickly on the business side, it's closed source, so the tech is proprietary.
That's pricing.
It's a contact them for pricing model. Suggests they're targeting enterprise setups in healthcare, medical devices, AI research, diagnostics.
Makes sense given the specialization.
Yeah, and the tags they use, digital pathology, cancer diagnostics, biomarkers, AI foundation models, clinical workflows, they paint a clear picture of its focus.
So wrapping up, Paige AI really seems like a prime example of AI making tangible inroads into healthcare, moving towards more precise, more automated detection and research. It's quite something.
It really is, and it makes you think, doesn't it? How AI can not just streamline what we already do, but maybe uncover insights we couldn't reach before. It could fundamentally shift how we approach complex diseases, potentially catching things earlier.
A powerful thought. More than just speed, it's about deeper understanding.
Exactly.
Well, if you want to explore more AI agents like this one, remember to check out AIagentstore.ai.
Always worth a look.
And as always, we appreciate you rating our discussions. It genuinely helps us understand what you find interesting. Thanks for joining us.